If Firefox is running out of GPU memory or you're having trouble with drag and drop, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that can help improve performance and get Firefox working properly again. These steps are simple, safe, and easy to follow, even if you're not very technical. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Let's start with the first fix, which is turning off hardware acceleration. This is one of the most common solutions when Firefox starts using too much GPU memory or feels unstable. To do this, click the menu button in the top right corner of Firefox, then click Settings. In the Settings page, use the search bar and type Performance. Once the performance options appear, scroll down until you see the hardware acceleration setting. If hardware acceleration is turned on, untick the box to turn it off. In some versions of Firefox, you may see a performance-related checkbox that controls hardware acceleration through recommended settings. If that is enabled, untick that as well so Firefox stops using your GPU for certain tasks. After changing this setting, it's a good idea to restart Firefox so the change takes effect properly. This can often reduce memory pressure and improve overall stability right away. Next, let's check which tabs or add-ons may be using the most resources. Firefox has a built-in task manager that can help you spot the problem fast. On your keyboard, press Shift+S to open the Firefox Task Manager. This window will show you exactly which tabs, extensions, or processes are taking up the most memory and GPU resources. Take a close look at the list and see if any tab is unusually heavy, or if an add-on is consuming a lot of memory. If you notice something that looks suspicious or unnecessary, close that tab or disable that extension. This is especially useful if drag and drop is lagging, because a resource-heavy tab can make the whole browser feel slow and unresponsive. Once you remove the biggest memory users, Firefox often becomes much smoother. Now let's move on to fixing drag and drop issues specifically. If drag and drop suddenly stopped working, especially after a system update or browser change, the problem may simply be an outdated Firefox version. Mozilla frequently releases quick updates to fix bugs like this, so keeping your browser current is very important. To check for updates, click the menu button again, then go to Help, and choose About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check whether you're on the latest version. If an update is available, let it download and install. After the update finishes, restart Firefox if needed. This step can fix drag and drop problems that happen after updates to your operating system or graphics drivers. If you're still seeing memory problems or drag and drop glitches after these steps, it can also help to close and reopen Firefox, disable any recently added extensions, and test again. Sometimes a single extension or corrupted tab session is all it takes to cause performance issues. The good news is that most of these problems can be solved with just a few minutes of troubleshooting. So to recap, first turn off hardware acceleration, then use the Firefox Task Manager to find heavy tabs or add-ons, and finally make sure Firefox is fully updated through the About Firefox menu. These 3 steps can make a big difference when you're dealing with GPU memory problems or broken drag and drop behavior. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick Firefox fixes and computer help videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.